Let's talk about TUT. Its full name is Tutorial. It's sitting at 2 cents right now, 2.4 cents, and I have covered this coin previously as well. We discussed its fundamentals in the previous video. I'm not going to go and cover that because we have done that. But last time I covered this coin was when? It was on 28th of March. Today is 10th of April, so we are talking about almost 15 days. At that time, I offered a support at 2.7 cents. The reason I'm laughing is because it was sitting at 3.8 cents. And I offered a way below support area at 2.7, and we had a per target at 5 cents. It was just because of the fact that I told you that this thing has an unreliable structure. You have a support for this coin at 2.7 cents. As long as it holds 2.7, you can still expect it to go up. Right now, this thing is forming a very ugly structure. This is because of Binance. Otherwise, it was already going down. When I say already going down, when it performed well, those 10 people, they started booking profits and taking money. Then Binance came along. Now they will start taking profits and it will start going down. It's very new, and then I shared so many other things in that video. You can go and watch them. But as you can see, right now it has lost the support area of 2.7 cents as well. It is sitting at 2.4 cents. So until and unless you don't see TUT conquering the area of 2.7, I would expect TUT to be on a downward journey. Now, what do I mean by downward journey? I'll change this to 4 hours. Maybe then you can see it clearly. So as you can see, this is the upper area. It has gone and created a low. Then it bounced back up. This is the upper area. And now it is creating a new low, which means it will go down and create a newer low area. Now, I can offer a support at 2.1 cent. That is your last resort. As this was a rising channel, so what it has done is the minimum deliverance. Rising channel is a bearish structure. If you don't know, 70% of the time it goes down, 30% it goes up. It has delivered on the downward journey. Now, if it goes and breaks below the area of 2.1 cent, that will pretty much confirm that TUT has started the downward journey. And when I say downward journey, I'm talking about the journey towards 15 cents. And it's not 15 cents, sorry, towards 1.5 cent. And by then I'll come back and I'll let you know that do I expect it to go towards 1 cent as well or not. But if it is not able to hold the area of 2.1 cent, it pretty much confirms that it has started this downward journey. Why? Because at 2.1 cent, if it goes below this, it will pretty much confirm the overall downward trend, and it will continue with the downward journey. Now, if it continues to hold the area of 2.1 cent and it doesn't go below it for more than 2 days, it doesn't close 2 daily candles with its bodies below the area of 2.1 cent, I'll expect that TUT is going to reverse and it is going to go back up. Of course, our first target is 2.7 cents. Once it goes and conquer the area of 2.7 cents, then I can start talking about the journey towards 5 cents. And that's pretty much it with TUT. There is nothing else to add. It's an extremely volatile coin because it's new, and then there are some fundamental problems with it, which I've covered in the first video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment. And I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.